Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to import the other pages that we have. So if you open the template, you will find that in the template we have product, single product, about, cart, and checkout. We need to import these. So I'm going to start with the products. In my Laravel project, in the views folder, I'm going to select the views folder, and then I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to save it as products.blade.php. And then I'm gonna here paste these two lines in the products, and then I'm gonna say at end section, and in between we need to get the code. So I'm gonna open the template. I'm gonna open the index. I'm gonna open the products of the template. I'm gonna open it in Sublime, and then I'm not gonna get the uh, I'm not gonna get the header or the footer. Instead, I'm gonna get the content between the header and the footer. So let me scroll until the end of the header, and then I'm gonna copy this code, the code between the header and the footer, which is this code. Of course, I close this, but it's a little long, so you need to copy it. You need to copy this, copy, and then close this, and then paste it between the section content and the end section. Paste it here, and then if there is an image, you need to say double curly braces and then asset, and then pass this into the asset. And you have to do this with all images that you have here as well, asset, and then pass this into the asset function, and then close the single quote and then the bracket and then double curly braces. So we have so many images here. Let me do this. It's gonna take some time, but you have to do it because it's important in order for the images to show up. So I am almost done. I'm done with the products. Finally you need to click on file and then save. Now we need to import the single product. So I'm gonna create a new file, and then I'm gonna save it as single underscore product.blade.php. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get the section and the extends. I'm gonna get these two lines and paste them in the single product.blade.php, and then I'm gonna say at end section, and in between we need to get the code from the template. So from the template I'm gonna open the single product, and then I'm gonna open the single product, and specifically we need to get the code between the header and the footer, which is this code. I'm gonna copy this code. I'm gonna copy it, and then I'm gonna paste it between the header and between the section content and the end section. Paste, and then here we have this image. I'm gonna say double curly braces and then asset, and then I'm gonna paste this into the asset function. Finally, we need to import the about. The other pages, I'm gonna import them later as we need them. So now we need to create a new file in the views here. We need to create a new file, and then we need to save it as about.blade.php. And then we need to do the same thing. We need to get the extends and section. We need to get these and paste them in the about, and then we need to say at end section, and in between we need to get the code. So I'm gonna open the about. And then I'm gonna get between the header and footer. So I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy from here all the way to the end of this part, which is the about, and then I'm gonna paste it between the section and the end section, and then I'm gonna here say double curly braces and then asset, and then I'm gonna pass this into the asset function, and we are done. Let me save all, and we are done. Save this and close this and save also this, and we are done.